Thanks for watching DesiinQc. Click the subscribe button and then enable notifications with the bell icon so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Hello there, I am Madhuli. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show how to make ballerina cake topper at home. I hope you will enjoy. Take a card paper and draw ballerina. In her hand, you can write age number. Cut the card paper. Apply glue evenly. Dust a glitter powder. Once it is dried, apply liquid glue so that glitter will stick properly. Take a piece of paper and draw spiral. Cut the paper in spiral shape. Draw petal shape on the edges and cut the same. Start rolling from one side. And our rose is ready. Take a lace of your favorite color. Make pleats from one side and stitch it. Stick a lace on card paper. Take another piece of lace and stick as shown. You can stick some pearls and diamonds. It will add beautiful effect to our dress. Stick a rose on one side. Take an ice cream stick and cut according to card paper size. Stick an ice cream stick from back side. Cut white paper in ballerina shape and stick from back side of our cake topper. And here we go, our beautiful ballerina cake topper is ready. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click on like button and share your comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.